Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a requested drink. That's none other than the Jalapeno Margarita. But today we are going to make it a little bit different. Instead of putting cucumbers and just the jalapenos, we're actually going to put mango in there just to have it a little bit different than usual, you know? It's kind of getting cold out there, you know, you want to wear your long sleeve and stuff. Maybe you want to heat up the natural way. Why not just drink a little bit of tequila on the side, you know, make your blood boil a little bit, and then throw in there some jalapenos, heat up the natural way, you guys. All right, so if you're curious about this, I'll get both of my shakers and get ready for this. All right guys, to start things off, first thing we're gonna use our Agave Nectar. We're gonna use only 1/4 of an ounce. Since we already have the mango is gonna sweet up this drink. So 1/4 of an ounce. Follow it up by 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. You can use whatever you want, whatever your little heart desires. 3/4 of an ounce. And then by some Reposado Tequila. I'm gonna use 2 ounces. Next thing, some lime juice. Half of a lime juice, a good sized one too. You know, you guys, usually it will be like just 1/4 of one, but there is a lot of sweet stuff in this one, so yeah. Next things, we're gonna use some ice. There you go. We're gonna shake it all up. Put it aside, get our lemon, start working on that rim. Let's get our glass. The glass is all rimmed up with the tahini on the side. Bam, put in your mango bits in there. Just a couple of them up in there. Make sure you wash your hands. I washed mine yesterday, so it's all good. You're gonna get your jalapenos. Usually the drink involves the jalapeno being thrown in there and shaking it up, but last night I had it. Ooh. Guys, this morning I didn't want to wake up and make this drink. I was like, be careful with this. If you don't like it too spicy, don't shake it up. Another thing, getting flashbacks from last night. Another thing, you guys, is the seeds. If you don't want it too spicy, get rid of these motherfucking seeds. Don't put them in there. But I'll throw them in there. Just 3 of them, just to give it enough spice. Then I'm gonna top off my glass with the ice cubes. And we're gonna strain our drink over here. Look at that big ass mango, man. Ooh. Perfect. Now all we're gonna need is our garnish. Get a little bit of a lime wedge right here going on. Lime. That is lime. Said it right. There. Perfect. Give it a little bit of shake. My heartburn's already kicking back. Put the freaking garnish right there. Perfect, yeah, it's beautiful. Take a quick sip. Oh, that mango. El chile también. Ooh, I got one of those seeds. All right, guys. Yep, definitely getting a flashback from last night. All right, guys, so if you like the drink, you like how it looks, and you want to try it, go right ahead, guys. Try it. I ain't gonna drink this one. I'll be honest with you guys. It's pretty spicy, but thanks for staying tuned. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any drink out there you want me to make for you, let me know in the comment box below. Sorry for crying in the fucking video. Peace.